FP&L, you can go right to their website. They're building 30 million solar panels in Homestead. If solar doesn't work, say that to your utility company. We try to educate homeowners on the values of solar, obviously going green, helping the planet, making a future for our kids and grandkids that are here. For the solar process, we like to get the homeowners information, including their address and the last 12 months of their utility bills. And then from there, we can build a system that is custom fit for their home to eliminate their bills and essentially bring them from the grid down to $0 a month with utility to now going full solar. It is energy that now they will own. It brings the value up in their home, having solar there, as well as be fully sustainable on solar energy.